Gone for a while, but I'm much better. Covering my eyes was so unpleasant. Ain't gonna lie, it wasn't very nice. Seemed like I'd never rise again. Surely I couldn't find a friend. Haunted by desperation and long, harrowing nights. But I was never all alone. The spirit lives in my soul, so I never let go. I knew deep down inside that I could fly, 'cause I dream a greater dream. I fight a greater fight, survived a gruesome fall. Because nothing is impossible, nothing